this In the Wild with Chris. A few weeks back I bought a new drone, the DJI Neo. Now this drone has been out since September 2024. I'm not what you would call an early adopter. But what made me buy this? I have the DJI Mini 2 since 4 years back. But looking at videos and reading up about this is more handy when you're out like I like to be. It's perfect for quickly filming outdoors when you're doing activities, when you're out hiking, running, skiing, biking. Why is that? Well, it has some automatic features built in called quick shots. The quick shots are activated by pressing the front button on the drone.
Droney. Circle. Rocket.
These quick shots enables you to capture activities and you don't even need a controller. The drone has 5 preset quick shots and one that is customizable. The quick shots can be changed by connecting the drone to the DJI Fly app on your mobile phone or tablet, setting different angles, distances and elevation. Let's have a quick look at what the preset quick shots can do. Follow me. This is a mode that sets the drone to follow you, going after you and filming you from behind. The Droney quick shot sends away the drone facing you 6 to 10 meters, filming while it's going and going back. The circle. The drone circles you while filming. You can choose a distance and elevation. Rocket. Where the drone goes straight up. You can set it either go straight up or spinning slowly while it's going up. The spotlight quick shot. That's where the drone is stable and in one place while following you when you're moving around. And then you can customize the last step, and I use direction track for that. And direction track, then the drone is in front of me, kind of backing when I'm moving forwards. How efficient is Follow Me? I had some issues when skiing, when the drone stayed at the same elevation while I descended. But the DJI states it can follow at speeds up to 35 kilometers per hour. So you can run and bike quite fast. You can control the drone with the DJI Fly app. That gives you a max range of 50 meters since it's using Wi-Fi for connection. You can also use the DJI RC controller, which in theory gives you a range of up to several kilometers. DJI also offers goggles for a more immersive experience. So what are the pros and cons in my eyes? Well, number one, it's very easy to use, quick to set up and perfect for hiking. It weighs very little and you don't have to bring a controller along. Also the price, it's quite cheap for a drone with this kind of technology. What are the cons? Well, it's a little bit wind sensitive. And comparing it to other drones, the camera does not really hold up to them. But for this price range, yeah, still pretty good. So what is my personal sum up of this? Well, this is perfect for me. It's easy to use while still staying active, no long setup procedures. And I thought my old DJI Mini 2 was easy. This is just so quick and efficient. It will not replace my old DJI Mini 2, but it will be a good complement when I go hiking and I want to be lightweight. I don't want to bring a heavy controller with me. But so with the controller you can still make quite cinematic videos with this. This was just a quick review of the DJI Neo and some of its function and why I find it useful and can recommend it if you want to use a drone while being out in the wild. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little review of the DJI Neo. If you did, please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, this is In the Wild with Chris, and I'm out.